And we are delighted to have you all here now.
Great.
I think it's really interesting that not only were you the presidential chef, but you're in Grover, North Carolina, and it's Cleveland, so Grover, Cleveland. It sort of all ties together there.
Yes.
Full circle.
It does. How did you find out about them?
Honestly, I was on Groupon, and I was scrolling, and there was a Groupon for them, and I was like, this is the coolest thing I have ever heard of, and I need to go do a story on it immediately, and they were more than happy to accommodate.
And what a great story. And y'all do terrific on camera there. I'm thinking maybe we need to have a show, a regular weekly show.
Sure.
Yeah.
Twist our arm.
That would really be nice.
We're going to pitch Les Moonbees. We need to
I
with
think we got
CBS.
that. Maybe we could pitch a little food here. What do you
Yeah,
think?
let's do it.
You all are doing something here that was a favorite of a wife of the president, a first lady.
First Lady Mary Todd Lincoln.
Yep.
And this is, and so you're going to put together something here that was one of her favorite. What is this now that
this
she
is
liked?
neat. It's a Charlotte Russe. So this dish is actually named after Queen Charlotte. So this is our city. This is really our city.
Yeah, for Charlotte here.
Yeah.
Neat. So what are you doing? I'm going to move on the side over here, Marty, so you can get in
there.
And Maggie and I'll sort of...
Maggie, if you want to help us here.
Yeah.
You want to
Maggie,
put
we're going to
lady
ask
fingers?
you to take a nice ramekin at the house or a crock. We did put the saran wrap or wax paper, helps it to flip out upside down easy. She's putting some lady fingers in here as best she can.
And then let's put some on the bottom as well.
Put a few on the bottom. This is a very famous liqueur here, John. It's Licor 43 Caliente 3. This is the secret 40.
I like the way you say that too.
43 ingredients that nobody knows, and we're gonna ask liberally just to go crazy with that. This is a vanilla liqueur. You guys are seeing this a lot at the bars and things like that. It's the basis of a lot of drinks.
Yep.
Wow.
A nice vanilla liqueur.
And Stormy will take over with the filling over here.
Well, I kind of pre-whipped some cream here, and I also had added some lemon extract and then also some strawberry extract in here. But if you want to add a few more strawberries here, we can do that. And then just kind of fold these strawberries in.
Oh, this is really looking good too. How are the strawberries now at the market, would you say?
You know, they've been really nice. Look at how monstrous these are.
I know. I got some the other day, and I thought these are as sweet as they are during the middle of the summer or the spring, whatever. So
they might be getting ready for Valentine's Day.
So they're putting the good ones out there.
Stormy's also got some strawberry and lemon flavoring in there that she mentioned. And eventually we're going to whip this up with a balloon whip and heavy cream and put a little sugar once you get towards the end. The chopped strawberries, Maggie, if you'll throw some of them in. Yeah.
As many strawberries as possible.
Strawberries are always good.
All right, while they're doing that, you've got what going over here?
We have the Old Knox gelatin and a quarter cup of water. This is really a thickener. It's going to help Stormy's whipped cream set up really strong. Put this on the stove. I got about a quarter cup of milk.
All right, now is that regular milk? Can you use skim milk? Or?
Yeah, this is from our farm, the 1776 farm, so you could use skim, you could use almond, you could use rice milk, whatever you like.
Yeah, and you're just going to get that mixed in together really good till the gelatin dissolves and sits for a few minutes, and then move it over here to this bowl.
Oh, okay.
And this is called blooming, so the gelatin is actually growing.
Oh,
and we also put a little bit of liqueur in here.
You can't get enough of that liqueur, right? I mean, that's one of the ingredients to put in there.
Yeah.
We need lots of flavor with this. And Mary Todd Lincoln, she was probably...
So, we already put some in here.
Well, through the magic of television.
Magic of television.
Yes.
And then we want to put it in our...
All right. So you've got your lady fingers
in there. You want to put that in there, Marty?
Yeah, let's put it in the mold.
Yep. With the lady fingers.
Now, would you do this at the White House when you were cooking for the presidents, Marty? So, who liked this the most? Which president you worked with liked this the most?
I would say, this is a favorite for, like, if you want to put this out during a Clinton Thanksgiving, would be excellent. And this is one of our specialties for Stormy and I. We like to unlock these old world dishes, and through the magic of television, we're going to have one that's done that Stormy will get out now.
Oh, wow. Now, but can you find this? Do you all serve this at the inn?
We do serve this at the inn. This and many other famous old dishes. Let's put him in the fridge for a few hours.
Okay. And then you come out with this right here.
He's going to harden up.
All right, and then what do you do?
Yeah, this is the flipping fun phase.
The flipping fun phase.
Oh.
Yeah, on live TV, what happens is we drop this on the floor, John. Yeah. Go to break!
Big mess.
Go to break! Go to break! Cut.
Here we go. We're
In
gonna
the meantime, Stormy is going to start some more decorating whipped cream over here.
And this is just a plain whipped cream with a little sugar. And I always like to recommend using confectioner sugar because it'll dissolve a lot easier.
Now look at this over here. We've got this, and you've done.
Yes. Does anybody love wax paper yet?
Look at that. Yeah, look
Or
at
want to
that.
know why
Wow.
we use a little bit of saran wrap in there?
And then we're running out of time here, Stormy, so I'm going to say, let's see what we can get done here in just a limited
And
30
let's pop
seconds we have
some
left.
Couple of
got-
strawberries on the top
Strawberries here.
Yeah.
You put that in. Oh, wow. And you got raspberries here,
Couple more little whipped
blackberries.
cream.
And again, you can find this at this is in Grover. What's y'all's website?
www.theendofthepatriots.com.
Theendofthepatriots.com. Of course, we're going to put that on WBTV.com as well. But look at this. And this is called Charlotte Russe. And you can get this at the end when you visit. You've got to go see this. It's a hidden gem, and it's going to be just wonderful. All right. Thank you all.
you.
Marti,
You're welcome.